Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a contact on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go to the top navigation menu within Home where it says New Items. Click on this and now click on Contact. This will allow us to create a brand new contact which will be in our address book within the Microsoft Outlook application. So first name, let's just choose a random name. First name, a new surname, person. Job title, video editor. Company, CSV. Let's choose a random mobile number. We'll keep the work email as admin@computersciencevideos.com. That's all done. We can choose an organization, details, notes, certificates if we wish to. Let's go back to contact. Click on save and close. And so now we have created a contact that resides in the address book. If I now filter by contacts, there you can see a new person is readily available. So we can now close out of the address book, compile a new email, and we will send this email to a new person. As you can see, the information is already available. This, in fact, will be now sent to admin@computersciencevideos.com, which is myself. So we can now close out of this email or save it as a draft for later on. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.